wouldn't go anywhere without his Goughnut.
My name's Amy Rockwood, and I'm the owner of Goughnuts. This little guy is Ruby, and he's my new inspiration. I want to keep all dogs safe. I developed this chew toy that's nearly indestructible.
Goughnuts all night long. Goughnuts until the break of dawn. Goughnuts and it'll be alright.
Goughnuts, manufactured right here in Northern California, USA.
What separates the Goughnut chew toy from other chew toys on the market is a two-layered visual safety indicator. With the Goughnuts patent-pending visual safety indicator, we now have a mechanism to know when a toy has been compromised.
My name is Glenn Graves. I've been a canine handler now for 10 years. My current canine partner, Kai, Lutz. Canine Kai has been with me 2 years. One of the best training aids I've found is the Goughnut stick. Since I found Goughnut sticks, which is guaranteed for life, that if I ever see red inside the toy or if he damages it all, I get a free one. Kai has chewed on this for approximately 6 months now, and I still can't even find a crack in it. As you can tell, Kai loves this toy. Kai loves his Goughnut, and he goes crazy for it. Look at this strength. I was going through at least a toy a week until I found a Goughnut stick. He lives with me, so he's with me 24/7, and so is this Goughnut. As you can tell, Kai goes nuts for Goughnuts. Look, look. You can rest easy and feel safe knowing that your dog is using the Goughnut stick.
The reason I developed the Goughnuts were because we want them to be safe, because we love our animals. Okay guys, there's enough Goughnuts to go around. You don't need to fight. Wow, see, Ruby loves her Goughnut.
Get ready, we're about to lift a 5,000-pound pickup with a Goughnut. Here we go.
That's a Goughnuts chew toy. It's lifting 5,000 pounds of a truck off the ground. That's why we guarantee them for life.
Yep, not a scratch. That's why they guarantee them for life.
This is Sherman, and as you can see, he's pretty tired. You know why he's tired? Because he goes nuts for Goughnuts.
Hi, I'm Dr. Chad O'Brien at Mesa Animal Hospital, Modesto, California. Here at our hospital, we perform many intestinal foreign body removals due to inappropriate dog toys. Goughnut products are safe because they have a red indicator telling you that it's time to stop your dog from playing with that toy. The safety feature of this is what makes this product well worth the investment. As a veterinarian, I routinely recommend Goughnuts to my clients. It's a great product, and you know due to the red center that it's safe and it's not going to cause a problem.
This is my dog Belle. When he found him at the shelter, they gave us his donut. He loves it. My dog goes nuts for Goughnuts.
Goughnuts, yeah. Fucking Goughnuts.
Fetch.
All night long. Fucking Goughnuts till the break of dawn. Fucking Goughnuts and
toy is guaranteed for life. If your dog is able to chew through the outer layer, exposing the red core, I will replace the toy forever.
Absolutely loves this toy. She plays with it non-stop, whether it's in the pool or laying by the TV just chewing on it. I swear by this Goughnut. She absolutely loves it.
These dogs love Goughnuts.